Prepare your students to navigate and thrive in today's ever-evolving world with computational thinking lessons in Seesaw. Computational thinking is the foundation for computer science. The 4 pillars equip students to solve complex real-world problems. It teaches them how to think. Lessons cover foundational concepts aligned to leading computer science standards, all leveraging powerful multimodal tools built for young learners. Let's explore. For grades K through 2, lessons engage students in an interactive storybook to practice computational thinking skills in everyday moments, like using abstraction to play a guessing game or algorithms to build a tower. Each lesson begins with an engaging video featuring Seesaw's favorite characters that teaches key vocabulary and skills in a way that young learners can understand.
An algorithm is a list of steps or rules you can follow to solve a problem.
Then, students complete purposeful practice activities that scaffold complex skills and connect real-life experiences. Students also have opportunities to collaborate offline and then capture their learning in Seesaw, of course. With multimodal tools, every student gets to explain their learning out loud, which helps them better process complex concepts starting in kindergarten. For grades 3 through 5, Computational Thinking Adventures lessons invite students to join the adventure team to follow clues, explore exciting places, and practice computational thinking skills. New knowledge is presented in multiple ways as students discover more on their adventure. Videos, informational texts, audio recordings, and interactive explorations, all built into Seesaw, offer multiple entry points into content, build connections, and reinforce key skills, all while empowering student voice and choice in their learning. Like in all computer science lessons, students get a mix of plugged and unplugged learning opportunities to deepen learning and balance screen time. Plus, ready-made assessments give teachers actionable insight into student progress that they cannot get from paper and pencil. Seesaw's age-appropriate computational thinking lessons easily fold into any instructional day and set the foundation for future computer science learning. With computational thinking lessons for every elementary classroom on the platform built for student agency and creation, every student can develop the skills and confidence to see themselves as computer scientists.